we chose a collaborative and co-design approach for this workshop specifically because we have so many experts coming from different disciplines, and the idea was really to learn from each other, to really see, okay, given the different points of view, different expertise, different knowledge, different experience on that topic, so how can we converge into something that can give us this shared common understanding, and how we can identify some of the areas that participants could work on going into the future.
I think that the outcomes of this workshop can serve future collaborations because we, in a very concrete way, that we got a pretty clear plan for grant applications and future projects.
At the end, we come up with very precise ideas, research ideas. We can continue to work together because there was such a rich conversation among us.
I would recommend this format for other research topics because there's no better way to get people together in a creative space that leads to something concrete.
Maybe we are not used to do this kind of co-design activities because most of the time we are working in silos, so we are among experts of the same domain. I think it's important to have workshop like that where everyone can work together and build something concrete at the end.
Why? Because it helps us to see the differences when it comes to the words that we use, like literacy or collective intelligence or AI, and actually see that we do mean very different things when we use those words. So we are aware of the differences. That helps us to build a common understanding and actually start to identify some of the research priorities going forward.